Hi, this is Cherie with Rehashfiber, and today I'm going to talk to you about a beautiful wooden lucette from Willette. Welcome all you happy fiber artists across the world. I'm going to share with you that there have been 2 times in my life that I have bought a fiber tool because of its sheer beauty, and I did not even know how to use that tool. And both times it was from Willette. The first time was a supported spindle with a beautiful glass tip that had a seaside scene in it. Aaron Slater does the glass work. I purchased that as soon as I was able. It is very beautiful. I'm so happy I have it. And I learned to then use that supported spindle. Not too long ago, I saw this tool on Instagram. And immediately I knew I had to have it. This is one of Willette's lucettes. It intrigued me because of the beautiful variation in the wood that is in it. It is so smooth, it feels soft, but it's strong wood. Since then, I've been making cords. If you've never used a lucette before, just think about everything you could use a cord for. And for instance, I am knitting a dress that I will want it gathered around my waist. So I will make a cord out of the same yarn as the dress so that I can have a belt around my waist. There are many other things you can make cords for, and you can have all variety of fun making the cords. The first thing is I want to send you to Willette's site, which is stephenwillette.com. There he has all the information about him. He shares where he lives, which sounds fabulous. I want to go visit there. You can go to Etsy and see all his tools and purchase them. He also has a list of shows that he's doing. So if things are not on Etsy, it's because he's busy at a show, and those are listed. And they're mostly in the New England area, but if you can catch him at a show, it would be fabulous. I'm going to Rhinebeck in October, and I am going to seek him out and look at all his wood products, and I'm so excited. And on his website also. I urge you to go there first to learn everything that you can about it. I think you will be drop dead thrilled with his tools. If you don't already know about them, you're gonna love it. And if you do know, you know what I'm talking about. It's good stuff. So check out everything there. All right, so I have this beautiful hand spun yarn left over. I love the different colors in it, and I wanna see how it cords up on the lucette. So we're gonna do that next. I'm going to show you the very basic way to make a cord. I had some beautiful Malabrigo left over, and I just wanted to have the fun of making it on the lucette to see all these colors go through and how it turned out. It was really cool. I don't have plans for this yet, but I just wanted to share with you how really neat it is, especially when you're working with something with a variegated color. Made it even more fun. I'm going to show you how to make a cord with the lucette. I have my hand spun yarn here. I'm going to lift the lucette up. We're going to put the yarn through the hole, bring it down the handle, hold it with your thumb. Now that's secure. Now we're going to bring the yarn through between the 2 tines. I'm going to call these left and right tines. Bring it through. Now we're going to take it to the right and wrap it around. Now this is what I call doing an S. We bring it through, over the one on the left, bring it around, make the S again. Now, I'm going to get a little bit better situated. I lay the yarn over the top of the yarn that's already there. You take the lower yarn, you bring it up over the new yarn you just laid down, and you bring it over the tine. So you see how that captures it, and it makes that stitch situation there. Now, we turn the lucette over, which I am doing it like to the left, and you bring the yarn back over. Now we do the exact same thing, and this is what keeps going on and on. Lay the yarn over the top of the one that's there, pull the bottom yarn up. You might have to pull a little bit just to have enough to get up over the right tine. Then pull securely so everything is just nice. Not crazy tight, but you want a nice tension on it. Now we're going to flip it over again, bring it over, pull the bottom one up, and over the tine. Pull it secure. Now I'm going to do a couple more up to speed. We're going to see if we can get this cord to start forming. So you see how that works. You're doing the same thing over and over again. So it's nice once you get used to doing that, you just can go to town. And eventually you're not thinking anymore. You're just making. It's really fun. You see how the cord's coming out? It's really great to watch it happen. And we just keep going all the way. So you're turning it. The yarn is over, you're pulling the bottom one up and over. Okay, get a little speed to it. So when I was making it with the Archangel yarn, I was thinking about all the cool and different things you can do, the creative things. I was thinking, what about a really special art yarn that had Angelina in it? Maybe some beads, and then you make a really cool cord and you can do all kinds of wicked cool things. All right, so I'm going to take this all the way to the end and then I'm going to show you how we tie it off. So you have your two, what I call like butterfly wings. Hold your cord in the middle, gently slide it off. Now you have your two butterfly wings. Take the cord that's from this side, stick it through here, this wing, pull it. Now we're going to take it around it, stick it through the other wing, and pull that. And we're going to pull it secure. There you go. Your Lucet cord is tied off. I have another good bit of information to share with you. Recently, I was near Chicago, Illinois for a graduation. I found a fantastic yarn store called Wool & Company in South Elgin, Illinois. From the pictures, I knew it was going to be great, and it was. It is huge, there is tons of yarn, and it's beautifully done. It is artistically decorated inside with beautiful art on the walls and yarn galore within our reach. It seems as though they have everything you could possibly want in yarn. And they have a huge online presence. So if there is something you need, check out Wool & Company. So right now, come along with me. I'm going to show you the store. I want you to know that they have a great online presence, woolencompany.com. You can look for your fiber needs there. I was looking for some specialty yarn out of yak, and they had it. So that's en route to me right now. If you get in that area, I urge you to check out the store for sure. All right, and don't forget Patreon. That is how we keep the lights on. Go to my website, rehashfiber.com. You can go to supporting members, and just by giving a couple dollars a month, it helps support the show and keep the whole fiber thing going so I can keep sharing everything with all of you. All right, everybody, happy cord making with a Lucet, and thanks for watching.